Good morning, this is Givo and this is the BMW R65 model year 1980. Today we have to replace the piston and cylinder to this bike, which is originally a 65, but after a crash of the connecting rod, an engine of R45 was replaced, but the engine is the same, so we are changing piston and barrels to replace this original displacement of 650 cc. Okay, this is what we have. So the original parts of the engine are in the external side, and in the inner side we have the new parts. So we are going to replace the cylinder barrel, the piston. The rings are with the piston, and the axis of the piston. Here there are the hold parts, and here we have the push rods, and as well the rocker arms with their pillows and locks, and the spindle, which is the axis in the version of 1980ish. And here we have the original head cylinders, which are for the 45, and here we have the head cylinders for the 65. As we can notice, the diameter is higher for the 65 version because the connecting rod and the crankshaft are the same, so the difference of 200cc displacement is done only with the diameter of the piston. Here we have the covers also, and as well the exhaust pipes, which are connected to the head cylinders in this position. Here we have also the circular clips of the pistons closing the gudgeon pin, which is an axis of the piston. The pistons are pretty new, so they come with the original rings, and we have just to clean a little bit the surface to get fitted in the barrel. Here we have a friend, which is the Haynes Service and Repair Manual, which is about the two valve twins from the 70s to 96, so before the four valve engines. So, and we are, for example, here on the page concerning the push rod and the coupling with the exhaust system, the valves, and the rocker arm. And so we are going to understand the problems of the different series by reading this very useful manual. So the cylinder barrel and the pistons have been already mounted, and then we are going to have a look of the original engine, which was one of the first projects of BMW after recovering the farm from the aviation to the motorcycle industry. So here we can recognize that the rocker covers are rounded. In the newer version, the rocker cover is a little more squared, so this is the main way to distinguish the newer version from the older. For the rest, the engine, it's very close to the original one. We can recognize the push rods here, and the rocker arm with the two valves, and about the cylinder heads, there are not very big differences. In this case, we have the Kickstarter because this engine is very old, and this is actually a R90, and it comes from the previous decade. The reason why we have to start is that the parts we unmounted from the bike are only these, and the gaskets are missing. I mean, the cylinder baller gasket, the cylinder head gasket, and the rocker cover gasket are missing. The bike was used when it was bought, so we are wondering if it was a mistake on mounting the parts without the gaskets, or the engine comes without them. Unfortunately, the informations provided by this book are concerning more dismantling and mounting again the same model without any problems about the furnishing way it comes. So we have to go through internet or go to the BMW shop to in order to understand if the gaskets of the barrel and of the head cylinders are included in the original version. But one thing we understood from the ANS guide is the cylinder barrels have to be dismantled at the TDC, which is the higher point the piston reaches into its stroke. And since it is not this way, the first thing we have to carry out is to bring the engine out the TDC. Actually, few degrees are missing to the TDC. Unfortunately, the central stand it's not able to sustain the motorbike, so we have to proceed with an external tool.